I have like no idea what series I'm on at this point with these Poppet pets. But yeah, I got 8 more packs. Let's open them. I don't think I have this one. Yeah, Gemini. She's a Gemini. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Oh, I definitely already have a Sunny going in the dupe pile. Okay, so stop looking at me while I'm trying to film. Got another of Charlotte. In case the kids want Charlotte's Web. Duplicate. I'm sorry, did I even show you guys the duplicate? My bad. I'll show you guys in a moment. Yeah, this is Morris. I don't know if I have Morris. I don't think so. Oh, here's Charlotte. Sorry I didn't show it. Her. And Soli. I know I already have Soli. At least I got 2 new ones.